Class 8th student, it's a part 10 exercise H chapter 1 revision. Here picture talk. Look at the pictures and identify the substance that increase soil fertility. So we know this thing that the two substance, one is manure and second is fertilizer, is used for the increase soil fertility. Here you have to identify. So the substance 1 is a manure and the substance 2 is fertilizer. Now you have to read the following sentence, then write them in a correct space is given Venn diagram. So in Venn diagram what we see, actually what are the specific role of the substance 2 means fertilizer, and what is the specific role of manure, and what is common in both of them. The common factors and the common features we have to write here in this particular reason, and the particular features of the manure we have to write here and the fertilizers here. So here we are distinguish all the features, then we fill this table, this Venn diagram. First one, makes the soil porous and improve aeration. Means makes the soil porous and improve aeration. So which do this? Manure do this. Readily absorbed by the plant as it is water soluble. It is fertilizer. It easily absorbed by the plant and it's water soluble. Required in very less quantity, that is the fertilizer. This fertilizers is present in the less quantity. And add humus to the soil, it is a feature of the manure that it add the humus in the soil. The next one, add nutrient to soil, it's common for the both adds the nutrients to the soil. Easy to store, transport and add, it's a feature of the fertilizer that fertilizers are easy to store, transport and add in the soil. It improves the crop yield, it's a common feature of the both are the improves the crop yield. So in this Venn diagram, the common features are to add nutrients to soil and second improve the crop yield. And in the manure you have to write the point 1, makes the soil porous and improve aeration, and the point, add humus to the soil. 2 points here and 2 points here, and the remaining 3 points, readily absorbed by the plant as it is water soluble. The next is required in very small quantities, and the easy to store, transport and add. Those are features of fertilizers. So you have to fill here. Thank you class. Now the revision of your book exercises and question answers complete of the chapter 1. Do it well, stay safe at your home and revise your work. If you till not complete your written work, then complete it now and send for the correction. Thank you class.